Guys, that sounded like there were dozens of them. Hundreds, like a swarm.
The hell, man?
Chaz!
Kate.
Come on, let's get after him!
We have no idea where those things went. Look, Jin can help us.
Jin is trying to kill us.
Kate, listen.
Hey, you're not gonna be happy about this, but I know who should see that crystal shit.
Jin has people that can handle this.
Look, you know as well as I do
Del, no.
that he can help.
Who's Del talking about? Hey! Can he help or not?
Yeah, he can. The question is, will he? Come on.
You said he'd be home.
He's home. He's always home.
That house looks abandoned.
Because that's not where he lives. Follow me.
He gets like that sometimes. You're about to find out why.
Terrific.
And so are we. Oh, God. It's another one of those pots.
Let's see what this does.
What the hell?
JD.
All right, check the pods for my dad. He's gonna be in one of the newer ones. Hurry. Snatcher! All right. Goddamn thing!
Watch its quill! I see you!
He took someone!
Thank you. But I really did. Get that shit. of the pods did we search for markers?
I don't know. Just start looking.
None of these look recent enough. We need a newer one.
Del, Kate, over here. Ah! That pod looks new.
Oh, God. Dad. Oh, come on, Dad. Dad! Dad! Damn it! Come on! Oh, come on! Come on! God damn it! Pete, damn it! Get up!
JD,
Dad!
stop.
Get up! Come on, Dad, get up! Come on!
Stop! You gotta let him go.
He's gone. Help me get his armor off! You're okay, Tim. We got you. Wow. You smell bad. James. In that pod. I was in their network.
Network? What network?
This whole goddamn hive. It's all connected. All the people they've potted. I could feel them. The Locust never died, James.
Yeah, we figured that out.
Kate. Your mother.
What about my mother?
She's alive. And she's not being treated like the others. Not potted.
Where is she?
Another grub burial site. It's not far.
Take me there.
Wait. Your people from the village. I felt them too. For a while. They didn't make it.
Oh, damn it. Oscar. Kate. I'm really...
Mourning our friends isn't gonna help my mom.
All right. What's the plan to get topside?
You're not gonna like it.